spot archerfish has a remarkable talent. He can shoot a jet of water into the air at precisely the right force and direction to hit his target, giving him access to food in the surrounding trees that other species in this stream can only dream of. The archerfish doesn't have any additional body parts to achieve this technique, just some extra special adaptations. His mouth is modified like a water pistol. By taking in water and quickly closing his gills, he creates a pressurized liquid bullet with 5 times more striking power than any vertebrate muscle can produce. However, his eyes do not correct for the light refraction of the water. This is something he has to calculate and calibrate on his own. All this talent still doesn't guarantee a meal. Other fish are all too eager to capitalize on his shooting skills.
This is a Wilson's bird of paradise. He's brightly coloured, but about the size of a sparrow. He's lived most of his life alone, but now he's an adult and he too needs to attract a mate. First, he tidies things up. Showing off in this jumble of leaves wouldn't be easy, and his beauty will stand out better against a plain background. His stage is set, and now he must hope a female hears his call. He can wait here for weeks on end. At last, a female. Time to take up position. She will judge him by the brightness of his feathers. But for the female to see him at his best, he needs her to perch directly above his stage, under the light. This might be his only chance to shine. Now, when she's looking directly down on him, he reveals her display for her eyes only. In the gloom of the forest floor, he is a dazzling blaze of iridescent green, the brightest leaf in the forest. And that does the trick. Each animal must find its own way of surviving the competition of the jungle.